In the next set of problems, we're going to be working on using the distributive property to simplify expressions. The distributive property means that I'm going to be passing out, distribute means to pass out a number, and mathematically we're going to be using multiplication. So starting with number 7, it says use the distributive property to simplify 3 times 2x plus 4y minus y. So what this means is I have 3 of these, and so I have 3 2x's, I have 3 4y's, and I have 3 negative y's. I'm going to pass that 3 out to every term inside, and when I do that, I'm going to be multiplying. So 3 times 2x is 6x, 3 times 4y is a positive 12y, and 3 times negative y is negative 3y. Finally, I'm going to try and simplify this by combining any like terms. I have 6x plus 12y minus 3y. The y's are like terms, so I can simplify that. So I'm left with 6x plus 12 minus 3 is 9y. The correct answer here is B. Number 8 also uses the distributive property to simplify. I have 5 of these, meaning I have 5 2g's and 5 3's. I'm going to multiply to solve. 5 times 2g is 10g. 5 times 3 is 15. So I have 10g plus 15. That is C. Number 9 is also using the distributive property. It asks me to rewrite the expression 5 times a minus b plus c using the distributive property. What this means is I have 5 of these, so I'm going to pass the 5 out to everything on the inside using multiplication. 5 times a is 5a. 5 times negative b, be careful, is a negative 5b. And 5 times c is a positive 5c. These are not like terms, even though they all have a 5, they have different variables, a, b, c, so I cannot simplify any further. I have 5a minus 5b plus 5c, that would be B. Number 10 also involves using the distributive property. I have 7 of these, meaning I'm going to pass out the 7. I have negative 2 of these, so I'm going to pass out the negative 2 here. And the 4x is just going to drop down on its own. Nothing is being distributed there. So 7 times x is 7x. 7 times negative y is negative 7y. Negative 2 times y is negative 2y. Negative 2 times negative x is a positive 2x. And then I just drop down the 4x. The last thing I want to do is try and combine any like terms. It looks like I have x's and y's. I'll put the x's together first. 7x plus 2x plus 4x. That would be 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13x. Next I'm going to combine my y's, which are just negative 7 minus 2, which is negative 9y. I have 13x minus 9y. That's A. Last problem, using the distributive property here. 7 times the quantity 2x plus y, that means I have 7 of these. I'm going to pass out the 7 here. And 6 times the quantity x plus 5y, so I'm going to pass out the 6 over here. Using the distributive property, I'll multiply. 7 times 2x is 14x. 7 times y is positive 7y. Plus 6 times x is a positive 6x, and 6 times 5y is a positive 30y. The last thing I need to do is combine like terms. I have x's and y's, so I'm going to put the x's together first. 14x plus 6x is 20x. 7y plus 30y is 37y. The correct answer, 20x plus 37y, is A.